We start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. And as we can see, the way is moving is already corrective. And even if you refer to the indicators, if you put desktop relative to the, desktop and relative to the previous one, if you refer to indicators, we see we have a divergence. Anyway, we cannot confirm the price is going to drop following by the divergence. We have it, but if the price continue as a corrective move, we are not really interested to look for buy. Anyway, we move to daily chart. You want to see what we have been looking for. Based on daily chart, we are looking to see the breakout of this correction. And the most important things, we're looking to see the breakout of 1.6 because we want to see if the price could 1.6, then the price can break the previous top or not, because there is a possibility this one turn to internal flat, drop before we get the next trade. That's why the breakout of 1.6 is very important for us. We want to see how high sharp it can move. By the way, we're looking at this correction. And if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And based on daily chart, the targets we can look for with the breakout of this correction, we're looking for 2.5 following by 3.0. All right. That's mean if we get any opportunity for buy within this correction based on lower time frame, we will take it. But the way it's moving is very corrective. That's why there is a possibility we get a lot of the, not a lot, we get trade set up based on lower time frame, but most of them will be a short-term trade. All right. And that's why I mentioned we can expect the price consolidate within this correction for longer time. What I want to say is that any trade for buy based on lower time frame, we will take the trade. If it's moving in our direction, we keep the trade. If not, we take out the trade, because if it start to move after we have this kind of the correction, it can move really fast and sharp, similar to what we get here. All right. And if I move to lower time frame, we want to see what we have based on forward chart. Based on forward chart, we don't see any trade setup, and what we get here, we can put as a correction relative to this. But the possibility to get the really good trade from this one is very less. We have to wait for longer time. We want to see how this correction can form. And because if the price reverse, if the price continue as a corrective move, we can put this one as a correction relative to this short move, and even we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction before we get the reversal. Anyway, we move to 1 hour chart, and even based on 1 hour chart, I don't see any trade setup. Having entry above the top is not a really good idea. It can be an option, but it's really risky. And it depends on the traders. Either we wait for the sharp move flag, we see the breakout of this correction, or we wait this one drop some more, then from there we make a decision whether we should look for buy or not. Anyway, at this point, I don't see any trade setup, and in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup, I will share. Thanks.